Okay, we've got a real treat for you if you're into keep fit. So I've been to a previous gym, and this is the second gym I've had the pleasure to come to. Now the last gym I went to, which obviously I'm not going to say any names, the gym equipment was really old. A lot of it was rusted. Now this gym is totally opposite. All the equipment is really up to date, really nice, very good. It's frequented by a lot of people every day, but of course they're always on the lookout for new members. Now the owner says there's a couple of foreigners come here every now and then. Now if you want to pay for a membership, it's 1,000 pesos a month membership. That's without a coach. If you want somebody to train you, 2,000 every time you come in, it's 2,000 a month, and
daily
it's
walking, 60 pesos.
60 pesos for the day.
Unlimited. Any equipment, you can use any equipment.
Yeah, and if you want it with a coach, it's 150. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. Look at the equipment here, guys. Look at it. Now I can assure you, I know things tend to look a little bit better on camera, but this gym equipment is the best I've seen. Again, I've only seen one gym and it's nowhere near as good as this gym. Now a lot of this stuff we had in a gym where is this the owner?
No, the body is full.
This is the
someone who want to rent this gym as well.
all right.
I just pointed the body of Kuya.
Okay, calm down. So look at it. I mean, now
when I first meet you, your body is like that.
yeah. What are you trying to say?
Solid.
What about the lockers, Mal? Do you get a locker with you? Would you get a locker with your membership, or
I will ask to
we'll ask when we go back?
Yeah, because you ask, because my brother sometimes he look after this shop.
Yeah, a brother comes here and looks after it when the main man's not here. So is he a coach then, Mal? That guy, is he a coach? No.
I will ask to
Oh.
I think I know this.
Where's the coach then? If I walk in with my 60 pesos, I want a coach if I'm going to pay the extra. So what do you think, guys? Leave a message in the description below.
62 Kuya.
Get out. 62?
Wow.
I'm 61. No, I'm 61. 62, you look very good for 62. Yeah.
Kailang taon na lang pinag-gym? 2 years na?
Formal training.
Formal training. Isa formal training.
Formal training.
4 years.
4 years. Very good. Very good. You look very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Let's have a look at this young man. You can see he lifts a lot of weights. What's your name and where do you come from?
It's a coach that guy.
He is a coach. Yeah, I thought so. So that guy's a coach, so he helps you train.
There's a two, the owner as well. He's the one who...
The owner coaches and he coaches. What about the lockers doer?
Dalawang laki, ano to Itong lockers. Ha? Si mga dawa. Si mga member yun any people can put things there, even it's not a membership.
Right.
Like for example, you're gonna walk.
So them locks that's on the lockers, it's what people have brought then?
Yung ano la, yung lakwa, save the date ko ba? Uy! Isang si kayo lang. Open lang. It's only open, there's no key.
Yeah, but people's put their own locks on if they put stuff in there, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So come on guys, tell me what you think. It's called Max Burn, the gym. I'm going to show you where it is because it's pretty well, I wouldn't say difficult to find, but you could easily pass it. couldn't you?
T-shirt as well, oh.
Yeah, sold t-shirts. It's great here.
Where
I
is
love
the
it.
located?
I love it. We're going to show them now. Yeah, we're gonna show them on the way out where it's located. No, we'll show them because it's next to the hotel, isn't it? Right, you want to know where the Max Burn gym is? It's right next to one of our favourite hotels, which is the Moraville Hotel.
It's under renovation. Under renovation.
It's under renovation, yeah. Yeah, well, it has been for a while. So find the Moraville, and the gym is just here. There you go. That's the stairs to the gym. There's the poster for the gym, Max Burn. Now if you go to the end of here and turn right, it's going to take you to SM. If you turn left, it takes you to Plaza. So South Star Drug. But if you find the Moraville Hotel, you'll find the gym. We're getting nothing for advertising this. We do it because we love Naga. We love promoting different businesses, if they will allow us in Naga. Come on, hotel owners. Let us take some video of your hotel. So that's it, guys. I hope you've liked this quick video. It's a lot different to what we normally do. Please support the channel if you can via Patreon or membership, or if you'd just like to give us a coffee, the super thanks below this video. It says thanks and there's a heart on it. Just click on there for as little as I think 25 pesos, something like that. So it's over to you, Mal.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.